What's going on with you guys? My name is Vanessa, even Swallows there, and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you are dropping by or you're stopping by, please do also hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get to see more videos like this anytime I post.
Got a little nervous, I was really feeling nervous. I never know I come first, never really know I come first.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about a product. Yeah, you've heard so many things. I'm going to be shaking tables and breaking tables today because you've been hearing so many negative things about this particular product, and you know, different types of people have used this product, and most of them came out with positive results and the rest came out with negative results. Well, I'm going to come out with a positive result for this product here. You can see it, Carowhite. I really don't know what's with the caro, but this is a product of the day, and I'm not giving a review of this product. I'm just going to be telling you, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this product accurately. You have been using it wrongly, and that is why you're having stretch marks. That is why you're having burns, redness, and even some, you know, melasma, or you're having skin disorders, even hyperpigmentations. With this product, if you know how to use this product really well, you would love it like crazy. Well, firstly, let's even talk about this product. What exactly is this product? This is a lightening beauty cream. I'm just saying it due to the claims that I'm seeing right here. It's a lightening beauty cream. It's good for skin lightening, and the only way this cream can actually lighten your skin is because it contains a synthetic agent in it, a synthetic lightening agent, which is hydroquinone. And well, due to, you know, the Vivo and the Vitro claims of HQ, they said that it's not really good for the skin because they tested it on rats and they had tumors. Yeah, they said it is quite cancerous if you use it for a very long time. But the truth is this, let me just tell you the truth. You will never have cancer with hydroquinone if you use it correctly. Don't use this particular cream on your face. This is a cream, and the main culprit for its thickness and little hardness is the stearic acid. And they said it has hydroquinone max 22%, rather 2%. But I don't believe it's 2%. I think this product has about 5% of hydroquinone. So you need to be very careful because we are not sure. The company is saying 2%, maybe to get the you know, the market or the officials here in Nigeria to accept their product. But I don't believe it is a 2% based product, hydroquinone based product. So we need to be very careful. Still, the best way to use this Carowhite, if you want to use it and you want to leave it on your skin for a while, then you have got to use this particular product 3 times weekly, at most 3 times weekly. Don't use it for more than 3 times in a week. Like, don't use it for 3, just use it for 3 days, all right? And when you're using it for these 3 days, it means you have to use them at night. It's right there at the back of the label, the product. It says it contains hydroquinone, keep out of reach of children. Do not expose yourself to sunlight actually. So when there is sun, you don't need to apply this product on your skin. If you do that, you're going to really get burnt and hot from the sun. So if you use this wrongly, reverse is the case. Instead of it to lighten you, it will darken you and even give you some little skin minorities, like some disorders, let's say pimples, acne, or blemishes, or even hyperpigmentation. Well, use for 1 month and stop use after you may have achieved your goal for this product. So let's say, for example, you want to actually get rid of the body spots on your body, and this is the product for you, or maybe you've noticed that it's quite, you know, inexpensive and it's good due to some little you know, reviews that you've gotten from the internet. Most of the time, use this for 1 month after all that has disappeared, and use it only at night. Don't use it daytime. If you use this daytime, then you would really get hot. Forget the fact that you're going to be in your house. There are sun rays and UV and UVB rays that can penetrate into anywhere and damage your skin. All right, make sure you're using a sunblock even daytime, after you may have even used this product at night. All right, so that is it. Then the third way and the best way to use this particular product, this is the best way I use it. I use it as a rinse out product. Now we're going to do an experiment now. This cream has, give me a stirring rod. This particular cream right now has hydroquinone, and any product that has hydroquinone needs to have an antioxidant that may prevent it from oxidizing really fast. We all know that hydroquinone is not stable, so you need to stabilize this cream by adding an antioxidant. And what they did was adding sodium metabisulfite, even if they didn't write it on the label list. We know what that is. So when you open the cream of Carowhite, and then there's a strong smell that comes out of it. It's sodium metabisulfite. It's a sulfite-based salt that really helps to slow the oxidation of actives or whitening actives. So we're going to be testing the pH of Carowhite right now. I have a pH strip here, and I'm just going to do this. Normally, if you're making a hydroquinone-based product, it will only work well if the product is quite acidic, but it will still oxidize in no time. So you need an antioxidant to slow the oxidating process. So I have placed the cream on the pH strip. Let's see how much this will like. I'm going to leave it for a while so that it soaks the water inside it and detects the pH immediately, all right, of this particular product. Now, let me just tell you the truth. Any product you make and it has hydroquinone, it has to be acidic before it will work very well. All right, so if it is at a pH of about 4, that means hydroquinone will work well. But if you want it to be in a formulation or a formula that has a pH of about 5 or 6, then it means you need to stabilize it by adding an antioxidant. And the best antioxidant that will work for it are sulfites. Now, those sulfites are the metabisulfites that we actually perceived from this product, right? I really don't know if this will come out really well, but can you see it from my camera? This is the pH test strip. You can see how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it really well. It has this, maybe the camera is not really showing it, but it has this faint pink color to it. Maybe the camera is not showing it well. This actually means that this product has a pH of about 4 inside it, and it's still very much fine. Now, if you add an alkaline product to this, let's say like a salt to this particular product right now, it will lose its efficacy. That means the hydroquinone will stop working inside the cream. It will never ever work on your skin. It will just oxidize really fast, and that is why you don't want to add that. So the best way to use this is by turning it to a rinse out product. So it's either you apply it on your skin as a mask and then wash off, or you rinse it out after you may have used it, or you turn it to a scrub. And I'm going to be showing you how you will do this right now. We have 1/3 of Carowhite, and also we have walnut powder, 1 tablespoon. So what I'm going to do right now is to combine them together. I have just mixed the Carowhite. Can you see this? I have mixed the Carowhite and the walnut powder together. Why I'm doing this is because I want to convert this cream to a scrub so that it really absorbs into the hands or anywhere you may have issues with. All right, but please do not use this on your face. Now, sugar, or I were to add salt, you know, sugar is quite acidic and also salt is quite alkaline. If I was to add it, it will actually tamper with the pH of this product. So you need to use something that just has, you know, a neutral pH, or just something that doesn't have pH at all. It's either you're adding oil or you're just adding some other things like nuts inside it. So I have succeeded in making an emulsified scrub. I'm not saying you should start doing this for your customers though, but what I'm saying is if you're having, you know, challenges with dark feet, dark knuckles, then this is the point where you have to do this. Now, it's also very good because your skin will never, nothing will penetrate into your skin if it doesn't have an acidic solution to it. All right. Now, acid, anything that is acid based will penetrate into the skin, but if it's too alkaline, it will not penetrate into the skin. It will only buff out the dead skin cells on your skin. But when it is quite acidic, it goes inside the skin and then starts to exfoliate the skin from within. A scrub already that we may have made from Carowhite. I don't know if you can see it. I want you guys to see it. Can you see it? Well, I wish you guys can see it like the way I'm seeing it right here, right now. It's very pretty. It has the same carotene smell, so you can actually mask this up with any fragrance of your choice. But I'm going to try out a little at the back of my palms or my hands. Look at this. So if you do this, it will spread evenly and you're going to start to feel that you know, gritty nature of the walnut scrub. Very good. It will really help out your skin. It will help to buff out the dead skin cells, and at the same time you're using the Carowhite cream on your hands to get rid of any you know, blemishes on your skin. So here is what I have. I don't know if you can see it, but with the way I am feeling, I'm feeling something abrasive on my skin. So see it. Can you see the scrubs right now? So this is how you use the Carowhite cream. This is the best way I like to use it. This particular step, please only scrub at night. I say that this video is quite long, but the truth is we all need to get this done, you know. So I am actually done right now with scrubbing my hands with the Carowhite scrub that we just made. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. Can you see? Can you see? It's so soft, you can actually pinch it. Now, it's good that it feels soft, but at this point in time, give sunflower oil. But at this point in time, this is the best time you apply your moisturizers after you may have actually scrubbed your skin really well. Make sure that you are you are using an oil, something that is really going to moisturize your skin. It could be shea butter, or it could be, you know, any oil, jojoba oil, or you know, almond oil, those sort of oils. No, thank you, it's okay. So this is the best time to use them. Now you can see how glowy, how smooth, and without any blemishes my hands are actually looking. Now with this particular step, you will never have issues with varicose veins. You will never have issues with skin thinning, because immediately you are scrubbing with this, you will not, you're going to be building up with oils immediately, or butters. So you will never have issues with dark knuckles or, you know, those sort of things. Everything will be even. You see? That's just how it's going to look like. All right, so that is why I'm actually prompting everybody right now to try this. You can use Carowhite, but please do not use on the face. This is how we come to the end of today's video. This is actually my longest video on YouTube, but I had to, you know, give everything in detail and do everything once and for all, because I may not be online for, you know, in a while, for like a week, because of our emotion potency class. So do well to share this video to your friends so that they can share to their friends, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, see ya again. Bye.